Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more of these no-nonsense nutrition videos. Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Fries and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense nutrition-related information. And today's video is about the use of hot water for weight loss. Now I know that a lot of people think that drinking hot water can help with weight loss, especially when it's had first thing in the morning. And I've never understood really how this claim came about to be. But recently, someone sent me a Times of India article on this topic, so I thought I'd look into a little more and shed some light on it. On doing my research, I was able to confirm that there's no real scientific basis to this hot water for weight loss claim, and I'm going to shed some light on this and I'm going to share my findings with you. I'm also going to link the said Times of India article in my description in case you wish to have a look. But in this video, I'm also going to address and debunk some of the claims that they have made. The very first thing to understand before we get into anything at all, and which will hopefully make this video super easy breezy, is that hot water doesn't stay hot in your body once you consume it. Your body has a very set range of temperature that it maintains, and every bodily fluid, even the hot water that you drink, is brought to this temperature before your body uses it for anything at all. In fact, if you keep some hot water in your mouth for even just 5 seconds, it will already be cooler by the time you swallow it. The point I'm trying to make is, your body has a set temperature range that it maintains, and it brings the hot water down to this body temperature before any of your major organs use it for anything at all. So now about this article. It makes 4 major claims, so let's get into them one by one. The first claim is that hot water flushes out toxins from the body and better helps with digestion. So let's break this point up and handle the toxins first. Your liver and your kidneys are the main organs which are responsible for detoxification and removing toxins from your body. Now I assure you, the hot water that you drink, when it reaches your liver and kidneys, it's not hot anymore. It's merely water, any water, not necessarily hot, that helps your liver and kidneys do their job. Hydration in general is great. Now for the second part of this claim, digestion. Again, no scientific evidence that hot water helps with digestion in any way. This article claims that hot water can help lubricate your system and help food pass along more smoothly, but that's the quality of any water, not hot water. Also, if you have no underlying health conditions, rest assured your body is perfectly capable of making all the secretions it needs to make sure that your system is lubricated and that food is moving along smoothly. Okay, the second claim that this article makes is that hot water helps bring about weight loss by making you feel full. This makes sense, water makes you feel full, but it's not hot water, it's even room temperature water, it's even cold water. It's really just about how much water you're drinking and not about the temperature of the water. Also, and most importantly, please don't try to trick your body by giving it water if it's asking you for food by making you feel hungry. It may help you in the short term by achieving weight loss, but this weight loss is not going to be sustainable and it's not going to impact your long-term health favorably in any way. The third claim this article makes is that hot water helps weight loss by boosting metabolism, which helps burn more calories. Now technically this does make a little sense because your body does have to expend some energy to bring your hot water down to body temperature. So there is some caloric expenditure, and it could be argued that over time this collectively adds up and could make a significant caloric deficit. Let's have a look with an example. Say it takes about 1 calorie to help bring your hot water down to body temperature. Over time, this may make you expend about 40 calories in doing so, but this number is so insignificant that it's really not something that you should be focusing on. The article also says that hot water dissolves particles in food that our stomach finds hard to digest, but no.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Guys, our digestive system is incredibly complex. And again, everything that our body needs to absorb is being absorbed. We have the stomach acid to do so, we have intestinal secretions to do so. Our body is able to do this without too much external help from us. The fourth and final claim that this article makes is that hot water can help your bowels clear more easily. It helps food pass through your intestines so that you can easily excrete it from your body. Again, this is not a quality of hot water, it's a quality of absolutely any water. Water can add some kind of bulk to your stool and it will also help the stool move through your system so that it's not hard for you to pass it out. The article also claims that hot water will help your intestines contract more easily, but this is not true. Contractions are a function of muscle and increased blood flow to the intestines. It's the intestinal muscles that contract, and hot water doesn't really do anything to aid this. So all in all, drinking hot water doesn't help you with anything much at all. You'd be better off drinking water at absolutely any temperature. As long as you're drinking enough water, that's what's more important. Now by all means, if you like how hot water feels in your throat when you swallow it and it feels soothing to you, please go ahead and have it. But know that it's not a magical weight loss solution, not even if you add lemon to it. It's more important to just drink enough water. How much is enough? Every time you use the washroom, your urine should be pale yellow to clear. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also enjoy it. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below. Reach out to me over Instagram or simply shoot me an email. Hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.